Hello everybody, this time we have here evaluation of Qt and the Qt Bluetooth module. We can see here two applications running on two different embedded Linux boards. Here we have an IMX8 with very good Bluetooth antennas. It's running a Yocto-based multimedia image from Toradex, I guess, with Qt 6 layer activated. And here the Raspberry Pi with boot to Qt and Qt 6 version. So yeah, and of course the underlying Bluetooth module below is the BlueC, which is used by Qt Bluetooth here. And yeah, so with this application, the goal of this application is to evaluate the Bluetooth 5 and Bluetooth LE functionality of these devices. For this we also have this small sensor tag here from Texas Instruments. That's the Bluetooth LE device.
It's Bluetooth LE and Bluetooth 5.
Yeah, you can do both.
Yeah, but we are using it for the Bluetooth LE evaluation.
Good, then I would say let's start with Bluetooth LE. So we are activating the device.
The tag is activated, it's blinking. So and then we can switch here to LE search and scan for LE devices. Yeah.
It scans for all the devices here in the office.
It takes a little while because it waits. Yeah.
Yeah, it takes its while, but yeah, let's just have a look at it. And then there will be all the devices will pop up here that can be found in our office or around our office.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see. Okay.
Now all the devices in our area are found. Here is the sensor tag. You can select it by clicking on it. And yeah, now it is connecting to the device and I'm searching for its services. Then here you can see the green services. All the green services are implemented by our Qt application. We will select the button service and the motion service for now. And here I can show you what it does. Here is the sensor button service. You can press this button and on press it will it will get green.
Yeah, and what we can see here, it's really very fast, more or less.
Yeah.
So if you press this button, you get immediate response, and yeah, it's wirelessly transferred, of course. Yeah, and yeah, okay, this is the first one.
Yeah, and the motions, all the other three GUIs here implement the motion service of the sensor tag, and it's a gyroscope, accelerometer, and a compass, for example.
Here you can see this. There's the set there, and it's working fine here. Here all the three ones work quite well. Data transfer rate is very good as well, I would say. Very low latency, and yeah, for this Bluetooth is a good way to handle such applications. Yeah, okay. So this was Bluetooth LE, I think that's it for it.
Yeah, that's it for Bluetooth LE.
So we're going back now to set up a normal classic Bluetooth connection.
So we reset the application here. We will use our Raspberry for Bluetooth 5. We will use our Raspberry as a server.
So this is the server, the Bluetooth server. This is the Bluetooth client.
Yep.
So this one connects to the Raspberry.
Yeah, and for that we activate the Bluetooth server here, and we will test the bandwidth. So we will send a picture from the Raspberry to the IMX8. So start the server application. Oh, yeah. Then we will select the landscape picture.
Yes, so a middle-sized image. Okay.
Yeah.
That's it, black one.
Then we make it discoverable and we can search for the Raspberry here. It's same as before, it takes a little while until it has found all the devices, all the data.
So the connection process always somehow takes a little, but I think we know this also from our Bluetooth handling devices
Yeah.
in our private area, but once it's set up, the connection is reformed quite quickly.
Yeah. When the devices are paired, then it's no problem. Then it will list it immediately and you can connect immediately.
But the first pairing is a little bit slow, I would
Yeah.
say. Yeah,
Takes
its while. But now it's done, so
Yeah. So here is the Raspberry. As before, we can select it and we are connecting to the device. And here is the bandwidth service I implemented. And when we select it, we will connect to the device. And the server will start to send the picture.
so is it?
You can see it here.
Yeah, it's already starting. More or less, you can see the bytes written up here. And once it's everything is written, it will also calculate the bandwidth. So let's see, I think he's finished soon.
Yeah.
When it's finished, the image will appear here.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's done. Now it's transferred via Bluetooth.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
so
you-
what did we get here? It's about 0.46 megabits per second, so
That's right.
not quite fast, but yeah.
It's, the reason for that is the Raspberry. It's not so its antenna is integrated in the device, and so it's not
So
quite as fast as the
you get
MX8.
much better transfer rates with the big antennas, and if you transfer this, for instance, to a desktop computer.
Yeah, that's right.
But all in all, that's it. That's
Yeah,
what we wanted to show. So Qt Bluetooth, embedded Linux, iMix8 and Raspberry Pi 4 work quite well, and I hope it was interesting for you. See you next time. Goodbye.
Bye.